Today we're talking about the word tani. The word tani in Urban Hijazi Arabic, which I'm teaching you today, has a lot of different meanings depending on the context. So by learning just this one word, you'd be able to express a lot of different things. Before we begin with the lesson though, I'd like to remind you that I also offer private lessons. Send me a message on my social media to know more. So the first and primary meaning of tani is second. It can be used to indicate the second position or rank in a particular context. For example, you might say أنا فزت بالمركز الثاني في المسابقة. I won second place in the contest. أنا فزت بالمركز الثاني في المسابقة. أنا فزت means I won بالمركز الثاني, which means second place, in second place, في المسابقة, in the contest. Another example is أخويا تاني واحد من اليمين. My brother is the second one from the right. أخويا تاني واحد من اليمين. أخويا is my brother. تاني واحد, the second one. من is from, and اليمين means the right. أخويا تاني واحد من اليمين. Before we move on to the second meaning of tani, these are all the forms of the word tani. When it's indefinite, in other words, when there is no L attached to it, it's as follows. Masculine singular, tani. Feminine singular, tania. Plural for humans, tanin. Plural for non-humans, tania. And when it's definite, it's التاني, التانية, التانين, التانية, in the same order. The non-human plural is used when talking about objects or animals. For example, you can say فين الكتب التانية? فين الكتب التانية? Where are the other books? So in this sentence, books are a plural noun and books are not humans, so we use the plural non-human form of the adjective tani. And here in this sentence, tania means other, which is the second meaning we're learning today.
Let's take a look at another example.
السيارة التانية مو حقتي. السيارة التانية مو حقتي. The other car is not mine. السيارة, the car, التانية, the other, and together السيارة التانية would mean the other car. مو is not, and حقتي is mine in the feminine form because السيارة is feminine. And another example. أنا أحب أتعرف على ثقافات الدول التانية. أنا أحب أتعرف على ثقافات الدول التانية. I like getting to know the cultures of other countries. أنا أحب means I like or I love. أتعرف على is to get to know something. ثقافات is cultures. الدول is the countries. And التانية here means other. الدول التانية, other countries. It can also mean another. For example, عندك قلم تاني? عندك قلم تاني? Do you have another pen? عندك قلم تاني? عندك is do you have? قلم is pen and تاني is another. Another example would be عندي سيارة تانية. عندي سيارة تانية. I have another car. عندي I have سيارة is a car and تانية is another. عندي سيارة تانية. I have another car. تاني could also mean again. For example, ما حجي المطعم ده تاني. ما حجي المطعم ده تاني. I won't come to this restaurant again. ما حجي, I will not come. The ha here is the future tense. المطعم is the restaurant. Da is this. And together, المطعم ده means this restaurant, and تاني means again. You could also say ما حجي دا المطعم تاني, and it would mean the same thing. Another example would be تعال بكرة تاني. تعال بكرة تاني. Come again tomorrow. تعال is come, بكرة is tomorrow, and تاني is again. تعال بكرة تاني. Come again tomorrow. Click on this lesson to learn how to say words like tomorrow, yesterday, next week, last week, and many other time-related words. I'll see you there.